Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep JK cabin air filter. It's important to know that Jeep JK models do not come with a cabin air filter from the factory. However, many owners choose to install an aftermarket kit to improve the air quality inside their vehicle. This simple modification can make a big difference for your comfort and health, especially if you spend a lot of time on dusty trails. Before you begin, gather your supplies. You'll need an aftermarket cabin air filter kit designed specifically for the Jeep JK. Additionally, grab a T20 Torx bit and a ratchet to remove the necessary screws. For your safety, it's always a good idea to wear safety glasses and gloves during the installation process. Having everything ready makes the job quick and easy. The installation is straightforward. First, locate the cowl cover on the passenger side, near the windshield. Use your T20 Torx bit and ratchet to carefully remove the screws holding it in place. Once the cover is off, simply slide the new aftermarket filter into the open slot. Finally, reattach the cowl cover, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. With your new cabin air filter installed, you'll immediately notice cleaner air inside your Jeep, reducing dust and allergens. For optimal performance, plan to replace the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently if you drive in very dusty conditions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.